What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a little bit of a different video planned. I'm actually out here at the creek and I'm pretty excited. Never been to this spot before, but hoping to get on some smallmouth or really any fish I can catch will be good, but don't got much time, so let's get started. We are down by the creek now. I see a nice little pool down there, so hopefully just gonna make my way. Probably will have to wait a little bit. Water's nice and cool today. Water's definitely getting a little deeper around here. I'm just gonna give this a cast. What we're working with today, it's the brand new Googan Baits Rattlin Ned. I don't know if you can hear that, but this is the fresh money color, I think. And then we just got a little Ned head. Never used a Ned rig of any type before, so not really sure how this is gonna go, but yeah, let's start. Sure casts pretty far. Might try to give this a cast just under this tree if I can do that without getting snagged. Very doubtful. Oh, nice. Not bad. Yeah, the current's almost even too strong right here. I may have just had a bite. Thought I felt a little tap. Oh yeah, definitely taps. There's gotta be some fish there. Wow guys, I feel really dumb. I literally got to this new spot and on my first cast caught a smallmouth. Was talking it up, having a great time, and then I realized I wasn't even recording. So let's hope I get another one. But yeah, I moved to this new spot. The old one wasn't looking too great, and I might have one. Yes, I got one. This might be, oh dang, he let go. Frick. This might not be too bad of a spot right here. Oh, there's a bite. I don't think he took it though. Oh, stuck under a rock. There we go. Guys, I don't know about you, but this is probably one of my favorite types of fishing. Just coming out, brand new spot out in the middle of nowhere and catching smallmouth. I mean, really nothing beats it. Oh, got one. Heck yeah. I think he's a small one. Yeah, he's pretty small, but... Oh, no, no, no. I think that was a largie. What the heck? Hopefully the camera got that, but... Craziness. Rattlin Ned. Looking a little beat up, but... I think we can keep on using it. I don't know. Haven't gotten too many bites in the last few casts from this pool. So I think in our last few minutes here, I'm gonna try to make it all the way down underneath this bridge. I don't think there's gonna be too many fish in this current right here. But what I'm looking for is the little pools outside of the current called eddies. And that's where the fish are gonna be stacked up. And this pool right here doesn't look too bad at all. Oh dang, I got one. Heck yeah, I thought it was a rock for a little bit there. What is this? Sure fighting hard. Oh, it's a smallie. Let's go. Gotcha, buddy. I'm gonna come up on this rock. Nice. And that right there is a creek smallie. He's not big, but he sure was fun to catch. All right, let's get a good release on him. He was ready. See ya. Man, that's fun. All right, one more fish. Let's do this. Instantly. Are you kidding me? No way. Another smallie, it looks like. Or is this a largie? Largemouth. No way. That's so sick. Oh, there he goes. Well, you'll just have to trust me. Little largie. Crazy stuff. As soon as it hit the water. That's awesome. What is that? I guess that is third fish? Third or fourth. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. We survived with the original Ned head and Rattlin Ned. 3 or 4 fish, not bad. It is a little torn up, but I'm fine with that. Certainly did well today. Yeah, it was a really fun night, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.